Hi guys, this is Lady Steam. I'm here today to tell you about the March 2019 box of making. This is box number 10. We've themed this box Fun and Games, and we've got 3 really fun games in it. And I want to open the box and do a little bit of an unboxing and show you what you've got in your box if you haven't already looked all the way through it. As always, we've got a nice thank you letter here for you. We really do appreciate you. I'm going to open up the tissue paper and let's see what's inside. Our link to videos, which I'm sure you've already found. Don't forget you've got a coupon in here for the March box. It's all the way good through May. And 3 projects. This is our Tangrams game. We're going to build a really pretty little wood tangram set you can leave setting on a table and around, so anytime you feel like playing with tangrams, you can. We've also got what we're calling our mystery labyrinth, and that labyrinth is actually a BB maze, but it's got some hidden corners just to make it a little more challenging for you, and we'll talk about how to put that together in that video. And finally, we've included our Strategears kit in this box. So Strategears is a board game Steamy Tech invented, and in this box we've got the game itself, and then we've got your gear set separately. That gear set's available just so you can play the game, and that's what this box looks like. It's a really pretty wood box. We've called it the travel set because it's small enough you can obviously take it with you without a problem. Let's see what else is in here. As usual, you've got a set of spare screws. You've got pen test wood, so you can mark on things. Super glue and sandpaper, because you've got to have super glue and sandpaper to build these projects. And last but not least, a really pretty colored set. It's bright colored Crayola washable pens, but they're primary colors, so it's a really nice paintbrush tip set of primary colors that you can use on your Strategears gears or on anything you want to make bright and bold. We think it's a really nice set to have. We've used it for a couple of things already in the shop, and we're really loving the colors and the boldness from them. So that's what's in your box of making this month. Isn't that exciting? I'm going to look forward to giving you the step-by-step instructions on how to put all this together.